Giving directions, part 1. You're here. When you go like this, so you go straight on. Go straight on. And this is turn right, and this is turn left. What about this? Correct, U-turn. And if here is a road, and here is a crosswalk, and you want to move like this, so you cross the road. Again, cross the road. Clear, guys? Well, if the road ahead of you has 2 rights, so this is the first right, and this is the second right. Easy and simple. What about the buildings? Like here is a road, and we have buildings along the road like this. Well, this building here is next to this building. Next to. And this building over here is opposite this building. Again, opposite. And this building is between this one and this one. Between. Very important, guys, to learn these phrases. These phrases are going to help you describe the location and give directions to any place. So let me know in the comments if you've learned something new today. Giving directions, part 2. Look at this map. You're here and you want to go to the cinema. So I will tell you the directions to the cinema. Listen to me. First, go straight on. Go straight on. Then turn left. Turn left. Then go down the road. You will find the cinema on your right. Wow, this, guys, is how you describe directions to any place. Another one. Let's say you want to go to the shop over here. Go straight on. Okay. Then turn right. Oops. This is the first right. And you need to take the second right. So let's erase this and keep going straight. Then take the second right. So this is the first right and this is the second right. Okay. Then here is the library. So you go past the library. And go past the library means pass it. Pass the library. You will find the shop on your left. Wow, amazing. How easy it is. Now let's practice. Here are the directions and you need to follow them to tell the place. Okay. Number 1, go straight on. Go straight on. Take the first right. Here is the first right. Take it. Go past the bank. Go past the bank. It's on your left. Here is my left. Wow, you're taking me to school. Now I understand. Well, now your turn, guys. Here are the instructions. Pause the video now and tell me what place these instructions are taking you to. Okay? I'm gonna read all the correct answers. Here we go. Thank you for watching.